let's see if this falls. Every time I put my phone in the little holder thing, it's fallen. So, this is a test. This is gonna take a lot of getting used to. This is annoying. Oh, one of them's still on there. I feel like I just made it worse. We need a knife. We need a knife. That's all there is. Ooh, I made it worse. So I know what a lot of you are thinking. Wow, I thought she died. No, very much alive. I just stopped doing YouTube videos. Most specifically, I stopped doing makeup videos because for some reason I felt the need that I had to buy every single brand new product that came out, and I was broke. But here I am. We're gonna try vlogging, and we're gonna do mostly car vlogs. Those are some of my favorite things to watch, and I think they're funny. Most specifically, I think Emma Chamberlain is funny. She's hilarious. I love her very much. I'm probably gonna copy a lot of her style, and if anybody actually watches this and they also watch her, they're going to tell me, wow, you're copying Emma Chamberlain. I know. But anyways, it's 3 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon. I left work a little bit early today. We're gonna run some errands. Right now we're going to Target. Hi. So we're gonna do some of those. Oh, okay. That's why those. Fuck, I knew it was gonna fall. So that fell while I was turning into Target. This is my hammer in case I drive into water. It has a little knife on it. So, went to Target, got a new little mount thing for my phone. This one's like super magnetic. It's called the Magic Mount Pro. Ooh, wow. I also got new air freshener since I can't have anything hanging anymore. You know, I just got my little Febreze, guys. Now to Ulta. Let's go. Woo! Okay. Oh, we gotta go to UPS because I have a juice cleanse waiting for me. I don't know why I decided to do a juice cleanse. I've been trying to be a little bit healthier, so maybe that's why, but in retrospect, I don't think this was a good choice. But I'm gonna go pick that up. I have it at UPS waiting. They were gonna deliver it to my house, but they require a signature and also they need to be refrigerated. So, oh, I had the radio on that whole time. I'm so good at this. So, I told them to just hold it at the UPS center and I would come pick it up. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been able to be delivered, and then it would be like, oh, well, nobody was there, so we're gonna have to give it to you on Monday, and then I'd have to wait till Monday to do this juice cleanse, and I'm just not doing that. I'm so self-conscious that people are staring at me, but I gotta get over it. This is getting kind of warm and gross. So what I'm drinking is, well, the 1915 organic, like, juice thing. It's strawberry, blueberry, coconut water, apple, spinach, and blackberry. It's not terrible. I prefer it whenever it's like freezing cold, but it's pretty warm now, so I'm gonna finish it though. It has no sugar added. It's 120 calories and it's gluten-free, and it's also vegan. I'm not vegan, but this is. If you're vegan, buy these. Not sponsored, obviously. I don't have enough subscribers nor content to have sponsorship deals. Maybe someday. Probably should have called to see if my package was at UPS. Do I call from the parking lot or do I just go in? Should I be brave? Oh, I almost lost my lid to my smoothie. There it went again. Oh, you can't see anything. Da-da-da-da. Okay, now we go home. Good morning! Today's already a failure. I was gonna wake up super early, go get a coffee, start the juice cleanse, drop off a bunch of clothes at Salvation Army. I don't remember if I said that or not. It's 7:40. I really wanted to be up around like 6-ish. I feel like my hair looks stupid. I think it looks like a mom. Not that moms are stupid, but not a mom. So we're starting a juice cleanse today. Juice we're starting is Juice by Julie. This is it right here. We're starting it on the road. So if I puke, that should be fun, right? Good content. So the sweet spin, which is number 1, I have 6 juices that I have to drink today. This lighting is crazy. Number 1 is called Sweet Spin. It has kale, spinach, pineapple, banana, mango, and rice milk. I don't know what rice milk is. I forgot my jewel. I have white pants on, so I'm gonna try really hard not to spill any of this. That's not terrible. Since I'm recording on my phone, I'm gonna start bringing my iPad with me in the car so I can listen to music, because you can't record on your iPhone. And oh, cool. So iPads still have auxiliary inputs. Is that what they're called? Head bob? Headphone. God, that was dumb.
Make it makes full of hate, no vacancy. Only when you're gonna blame when it's over. Can't look me in my eyes when you're sober. Live in the moment. You just wanna fight cause you're lonely. Tryna see a million then be really up. Rockstar crash in my Billy truck. You need a home on. Fuck the rules.
Okay, so I'm almost to work now, and I don't know if I want to do this in front of my coworkers because I might vomit. So I'm gonna do this little ginger shot. You can see? It looks like that. Should I smell it first? Do I not smell it? I shouldn't have smelled it. My mouth is never gonna be the same. Also, the aftertaste is that of soap. It was like spicy and bad tasting, and now my mouth tastes like soap. Do they put ginger in soap? I don't understand the correlation between these two. See, the juices, like that started and that was okay, but now that I've done the shot, I think this was a bad choice. This was a bad decision. Hello. So today is Saturday. Yesterday I probably put in some clips where I went fishing with my boyfriend and his friend Possum. And so we did that yesterday. I realized that I never really concluded my juice cleanse on the vlog, so I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about that. The rest of it was pretty disgusting except for one drink, and that would be the drink that was the PB and juice drink. Really just tasted only like peanut butter, so it wasn't that bad. But the spicy was it spicy pomegranate? Pomegranate? There was one drink that was pomegranate. I'll include a picture in here somewhere if I can find it, to show you guys specifically which one I'm talking about. But that one, it had some seeds in it. I'm pretty sure it was like chia seeds, and they were kind of gross. I'm a big texture person. The very last green juice, I didn't even drink. I think it's called like Extreme Greens. I took like one sip and just wasn't gonna. No siree Bob. It was thick. So that was the conclusion of the juice cleanse. I lost 3 pounds in a day. So that's good. Am I in the wrong one? I'm in the wrong one. So 3 pounds down. Probably ate it all back today because me and my boyfriend, we got a Monocle's Pizza. We were out fishing until like 4 in the morning yesterday. I slept on the boat because I just can't hang that long. It's hard. But it was fun. The bite was slow, but they went fishing again tonight, so I hope that he has better luck tonight, him and Possum. But right now, I'm at Friar Tuck. I'm picking up a bottle of whiskey for my dad for Father's Day. He's really simple. Any holiday, all he ever wants is a bottle of booze. So that's great. So I just wanted to end the vlog. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.